Today we will see how to install a Magento with the sample data. So Magento with the sample data basically is a Magento installation. In that we by default get product category, CMS pages, and this kind of information we get. If we install Magento without sample data, we did not get any information. Like currently I have installed Magento 245P2 without sample data. So you can see here there is no product information and category information. But if we install a Magento with the sample data, we will get by default all these information. Like we will get the category, product, CMS pages information, pre-built product and categories inside the our Magento installation. So if you want to see how to install the Magento, you can see my other video. In that I have completely described how to install a Magento, and inside this video I will show how to install a Magento with the sample data. So basically you have to, for installation Magento with sample data, you have to go inside your directory where you have installed the Magento. Like right now I have installed my Magento inside the htdoc Magento folder, and you have to the right click and open your terminal, and now you have to the write command that is called php bin Magento sample data deploy. So, let me write it: php bin Magento sample data deploy. This command will get all information related the product and categories, like product images and this kind of information, product images, product name, and after that once this command will be completed, you will see here are some categories name, and inside in the product section you will also see lots of the product by default created. Also you will able to see all those information on a front end section of your site also, like on here. So I have run this command, like just enter it. It will take lots of time because it will download the information related to your product. If it asks you to write down like your Magento or username and password, then you can get it from the Magento marketplace. You just have to copy your public key. I have copied my public key and enter it. Then you have to copy your private key, that is it, and you have to just paste it and enter. You want to, if save, you can yes, otherwise no. I just want to the save, so I have put here yes. Then it will take some time to complete this command. You have to the wait, like it's started now. Deploy data command successfully run. Then you have to just need to the run the upgrade command, and you have to the see your front end. So I have run the Magento setup upgrade command now, and after that I will run the deploy command, and will save on a front end. It will take some time to run, so we have to wait a few minutes. Now setup upgrade command is successfully completed, and now we have to run the deploy command. It will also take us some time. So we have to the wait. So finally now upgrade and deploy is completed. We will go on a front end of a site and see the what changes are coming now. So as you can see here is a complete data is coming like a home page as well as product related information. By default some products are coming here with the images, color and their size. You can see the category page also, like uh, let me click on it. Also let me the refresh admin area. Yeah, so you can see here lots of products are coming inside this category, and images are also coming. It will take some time to load because local of a Magento is very slow always. And let me log in inside the admin area. I will show you how the products and category are visible in admin also. These are the filter, different kinds of filter like category, style, price, color and many more. This is the pagination of a site. Yeah, finally the admin is login. So we will go inside the catalog and click on a product. Also open a category section also in a new tab. Yeah, this is loading and yeah, you can clearly see here are 2040 products by defaults coming with the sample data, and category also you can see here. I think it's a loading issue, so that's why. Yeah, you can see here lots of category by defaults coming are with the sample data, so you can test your Magento with the sample data and also can install. Thanks for watching this video.